pores are photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves by the vessels which run like pipes throughout the root, the stem. Leaves capture the energy of sunlight with the help of the green pigment present in the leaves, called chlorophyll. This energy is used to synthesize, prepare food from carbon dioxide and water. Since the synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight, it is called photosynthesis. Physical change. In a physical change, no new substances are formed. The change is temporary. Example, when bulb is off, filament is cold. When bulb is on, filament is hot. There is no change in substance. Example, water is in solid state at very cold. When it is hot, it changes back to liquid state. There is no change in substance. Example, when salt is dissolved in water, we get salt solution. When the solution is evaporated, we get the salt back. There is no change in substance. Chemical change. Rusting of iron. The rusting of iron happens because of the oxidation reaction between iron, water, or acids. The reaction forms a reddish-brown powder on the surface of iron and gradually destroys the metal. Water has three forms. The solid state of water is ice. Liquid stage of water is water. Gaseous stage of water is water vapor. Forests are the sources for the formation of rivers. Multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. Multiply 21.70 by 15. Perform the multiplication as if we are multiplying two whole numbers, ignoring the decimal point. The multiplicand contains two decimal places. Hence, the product also should contain two decimal places. Parallel lines. Two lines which never meet even when they are extended infinitely, are known as parallel lines. The distance between a set of parallel lines remains the same. Symmetry. A figure is symmetric about a line if one half of the figure is the mirror image of the other half. Such a line is called the line of symmetry. Face, edges and vertices. A three-dimensional object has more than one surface. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges, and no vertices. A triangular pyramid has 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices. A cone has 2 faces, no edge, and a vertex. A sphere has 1 face, no edges, and no vertices. Shadow play. Shadow play is a form of entertainment, using solid articulated figures in front of an illuminated backdrop to create the illusion of moving images. Prefixes. A prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word to form a new word, the meaning of which is almost always different from that of the original word. Suffix. A suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a word to form a new word, the meaning of which is